Hello, Sula here from MistyHilltops.com. Thanks for stopping by. In this video, I'm working on a 4x6 autumn mini album spread titled Thankful, and I'm using the digital version of the collection Hello Autumn by Carta Bella, and then some dies, I think. I'm not really using stamps in this one. So again, I have one page that I use a full patterned paper background. That will go on this one page, and then the other page will be more embellished. So here there's a strip. It's just like I'm treating it more like a scrapbook layout with layering pattern papers and all that. And so I'm starting with this strip in the back, and then on top goes this wider but shorter strip, and then I have a journaling card, and I do create my own journaling cards in silhouette. You can find them as freebies. I have some for September and October. They're fully versatile. You can use them just as is. You can use them in digital projects. You can use them in just physical projects, and you can recolor them, resize them, and do whatever you want with them. So they're fully adjustable, and so you can find them on my blog, MistyHilltops.com. So I used one of these cards here, and then just wrote the things that I'm thankful for this year. And then I have a few embellishments. This is actually like kind of like an apple. I have some fall bunting die cut pieces. It's just a die cut set with a number of different apples and pumpkins and acorns and all that. And so I have this apple bunting there, and then on the other page I'm using another just the embellishments that come with a kit. These are actually like, I think they would be 3x3 in original size journal cards, and I just resize them to fit my smaller projects because I am using the digital version of this, and so I like that it uses the smaller versions, or I can resize them to use smaller. Even that is a full-on, I think it's a full-on journaling card that I fully resize to make it a small embellishment. Anyway, this is my page, and I'm going to leave you with some more close-ups. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Consider subscribing, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.